Welcome to our guide on adjusting your privacy settings in the eSky app. If you're concerned about how your personal data is being collected and want to take control, this video will walk you through the steps to disable marketing and essential data collection in the eSky app. First, open the eSky app on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the account icon. Then, scroll down and select Legal Info from the menu options. After that, tap on Privacy to access your privacy settings. Now you'll see various categories of data collection. To stop marketing-related data collection, disable the Marketing category. Similarly, to stop essential data collection, disable the Essential category. Finally, ensure you save your settings by tapping on the Save Settings button. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and limit the amount of personal data the eSky app collects, enhancing your privacy and control over your information.